Hey, good morning, guys. How we doing today? Back with another video, and I'm going to a little Cars and Coffee this morning, but not with the cat eye. Bad news, guys. Sold the green truck. Yep, I sold the truck. I feel like every time I'm talking on here, I buy a new vehicle. Last time was a cat eye. The other time was a 350Z that is not running currently, but it will be soon, hopefully. I'm gonna get rid of that thing. I don't need it. But so I bought a new car. I'm gonna do a little montage later so I can show you guys. But I bought a Malibu. Nah, just kidding. I bought a Chevy SS. This thing is sick. It is like something.
Jesus Christ.
So I bought it on Friday last week. It's been a week since I've owned it. Gotta get the plates on it. It's gonna hurt my pockets, bro. I didn't do no trade-in, and because I did no trade-in, it's gonna be so expensive. It's not even funny. Like, I'm scared because this car cost me 42 grand. So I'm a little worried that my plate's gonna come out to 4 grand. Which I get it though, but I mean, I just don't want to get it. You know what I'm saying? That's 4 grand, bro. So yeah, guys, this is the car. I want to show you guys real quick. I'm gonna go wash it up real quick. So yeah, guys, this is the car. Let me take this off. So this is a 2015 Chevy SS. It is pretty nice. It's clean. It's got like what 30,000 miles probably. I think if I'm right, I think like 30,000 miles. So it's still pretty brand new. You know, it looks like a Malibu. You know, I've already had a lot of people mistaking it for one, and well, end of the day, I bought one so people don't know what it is. But for people that know, you know that this is one of the, what they call in Australia, Holden Commodore. And yes, I am getting the badges. I know. Surprise, surprise. I'm getting the badges for the grill and for the back. And also want to get the badges for the airbag cover. Let me give you guys a little cold start. See what you guys think. It sounds pretty good cold. I'm about to go take it to wash right now just because I don't want to wash it. It's a little too chilly right now in the morning. Let me just center this bad boy. So yeah, guys, it sounds pretty good. It's not too loud, not too quiet. It's perfect sounding. So I'm gonna go take it a wash real quick. Like I said, I'm gonna film a little bit when I get there, do a little Cars and Coffee, and then I'm actually gonna go tomorrow to another meet, and I'll probably just link 2 videos into one. Cause I don't think it's gonna be that much cars. I don't know. I've never been to it, so we'll see. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wash my car up, and I'll get back to you when my homie Nelson gets here. He's coming with me too. Tenemos el chamaco limpiando. Clean that motherfucker right, Johnny. Clean that motherfucker right.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
There's another SS. Looks like my car. Damn. What's that?
My car is dirty.
Hey, clean either way. I think it's nice. What kind of cam do you got on it?
The VCR picture.
Oh yeah.